In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clone your Pinterest app. So you may want to clone your Pinterest app if you want to have two separate apps on the same smartphone. Yes, I understand that Pinterest allows you to have several accounts on the same app. However, sometimes you may just want to go ahead and separate these apps so that you run your businesses or you run your accounts separately, each on its own app. So to do so, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. So as you can see, I have my Pinterest app here and I want to split this so that I have two of these apps. So to get started, go ahead and look for settings on your Android smartphone. And my settings is here. So I'll tap on it. And then from this, scroll down and look for the option called apps. So here is the apps option. So if I tap on it, under apps, you can see we have an option called dual apps. So this is the option that will help us clone this Pinterest app. So I'll tap on it and this will open the apps we have on our smartphone. Now, if you look under the recommended list, we don't have the Pinterest. So to clone it, you may want to go ahead and look for your app here under this list. If you don't find it, you can still go ahead and look for the app under search, and then I'll type Pinterest and look at that. Mine is here. So to make another version of this, just go ahead and toggle this. And then you are told that running a dual app or cloning this app will require this app to work with the Google services. So go ahead and turn it on, and that is done. So if we go back, now we should be able to see two Pinterest apps on our smartphone. So let me go back. And if I go down here, look at that. Now we have two Pinterest apps on this smartphone. So here they are. So this was the initial app, and here is the new app that we have just cloned. So the yellow mark shows it is working with Google services, and that's why we have this yellow badge, and that is great. Now, if you open it, you find that there is no difference between this cloned app and the initial app. So look at that. If I tap on it, it will go ahead and open. And from here, I can now set up my account, and everything is just as it is on my initial Pinterest app. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.